Hello students, welcome back to my channel Learn Maths with Pranay. In a previous video we have solved a sum. Okay, so in this video we are also going to solve another sum but of different type. Okay, for that reference I'm going to take again Standard 9 SSC Board Maths Textbook Part 2 Problem Set 8 page number 113 sum number 4. Okay, so the sum I have just write it down what is given and what we need to find out. So basically we have given a right angle triangle LMN and angle N as theta. Cos theta is 24 upon 25 and we need to find out sine, tan, sine square theta and cos square theta. Okay, so we are given like cos theta is equal to 24 upon 25. So by definition of cos theta, okay, it is adjacent upon hypo. Okay, so the 24 which is in the numerator is the adjacent side. So with respect to theta, adjacent is mn. We can write it as 24 and the 125 in the denominator is the hypotenuse. So we write it as 25 on the hypotenuse. Okay, so in this triangle, okay, this is a right angle triangle. So we can go ahead and apply Pythagoras theorem and we can find out the value for Lm. So the Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Okay, so Ln is 25 square which is equal to Mn 24 square plus Lm square, the one we need to find out. So we'll take 24 on the left hand side. So this will be 25 square minus 24 square is equal to Lm square. Okay, so over here we are going to use a formula. Okay, a square minus b square which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we are going to apply the same formula over here. So this will be 25 plus 24 into 25 minus 24 is equal to, we'll write the Lm square as it is. Okay, so 24 plus 25 is 49 into 25 minus 24 is 1 which is equal to Lm square. So we'll write it down as Lm square is equal to 49. Okay, so taking square root on both the side will get Lm is 7. Okay, so we can write Lm as 7. Okay, so we have got Lm as 7. Okay, so now we will proceed with finding the value of sine theta. So by definition sine theta is opposite upon hypo. Okay, so opposite side with respect to theta is Lm. Okay, and hypotenuse is Ln, the side opposite to right angle. So Lm is 7 and Ln is 25. Okay, so we have found out the sine theta. Second, we are going to start with tan. So tan by definition it is opposite upon adjacent. Okay, so tan theta, okay, with respect to theta opposite is Lm and adjacent side with respect to theta is Mn which is equal to, so Lm is 7 and Mn is 24. So now we are done with tan theta. So we'll start with sine square theta. Okay, so sine square theta, it can also be written as sine theta the whole square. So we can write the value of sine theta as 7 upon 25. We have already found out this value. Okay, so 7 upon 25 and the whole square, which is equal to square of 7 is 49 and square of 25 is 625. So sine square theta is 49 upon 625. So this is done. So now with the last ratio, which is cos square theta. So this can be written as cos theta the whole square, which is equal to, so the value of cos theta is already given, so we are going to use the same value, 24 upon 25 and the square. So well, square of 24 is 576 and square of 25 is 625. So sine square is 49 upon 625, whereas the cos square is 576 upon 625. Okay, so we have found out all the four values that we are supposed to find. Okay, so that's it for today, students. So if you have any questions with respect to this, or if you find some problem that you are not able to solve, or you're facing any difficulty while solving, please put that some number or some reference in the comment section. I will try to make a video on it and will try to cover your problem. Thank you and bye bye.